Main reasons why I chose the AIMS, like AIMS Bhubaneswar over other AIMS and over other college, Delhi colleges. Ragging culture थोड़ा ज़्यादा है इसलिए. So NMC made me to come back on YouTube because they have recently launched their schedule for the NEET 2025 counseling for the NEET aspirant who have got selected and having a good marks. I know about this period because this is a very important crucial period for the ones who have got selected and who are willing to join any medical colleges in all over the India. बिकॉज मुझे पता है कैसा लगता है, कैसा मतलब होता है कि कॉलेज सिलेक्शन में प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट बनाने में कैसा लगता है, कैसा मतलब प्रॉब्लम फेस होना पड़ता है. तो आई नो अबाउट दैट. So that's why I'm making this video, because this is very important and for your life, for your career, because you have to select a college, you have to select a proper college, which is the best possible college for your particular rank. So this is a very important video for the ones who have got selected. But before that, I want to introduce myself. Hello everyone, my name is Sayan Karmakar. I have scored 705 out of 720 in NEET 24 and currently pursuing my first year MBBS at IIMS Bhubaneswar. Now come to the topic. Why I choose IIMS Bhubaneswar over other colleges, over Delhi colleges and over other like BHU, CMC and other things, right? So first of all, it's my dream. So one of the most important reason for choosing IIMS Bhubaneswar, like AIMS actually, it's my dream actually. From the beginning of my NEET journey, I had a dream to become an AIMSonian and having AIMS tag. And secondly, this AIMS does not have any type of bonds like other colleges, like state colleges having in Gujarat, Bihar, Jharkhand, UP. They have particular bonds like 2 year, 3 year, and having like big amount of money like 10 lakhs, 25 lakhs, 20 lakhs. So that is also basically one of the major issues. Now another important one, and that is the facilities that provide the AIMS actually. Now hostels, that is very important because you have to stay 5.5 year in a particular college, in a particular hostel. So that should be very important. That should not be very good or like that excellent, but that should be a decent one because you have to stay there 5.5 year. So it's your second home actually. So in our AIMS actually we have like double occupied in the first year, but in the second year, from second year we will get like double single room. Now second one is basically exposure. Now in AIMS you have a great clinical exposure, and for doctors clinical exposure is very important. Like in AIMS Bhubaneswar here we have a huge patient flow, like thousands of patients are coming by day, so it's very good for us who are basically going to experience all the patients and all the studies, means all the diseases which are basically we're studying in the books. So also we have a very good amount of research facilities, like AIMS. All AIMS have a high research facilities, and their research works are also very good, and you know about that. Fourth one is the most important one, is the fees. Like तुम्हें only 5,856 रुपये पे करना पड़ेगा for the whole 5.5 year. So so that's impressive actually, and no other fees like no hostel fees, no libraries, anything actually. So it's just 5,856. That's very impressive now. And another is like distance. So you have to consider about the distance from home to your college. सो लाइक मेरा जो कॉलेज है एम्स भुवनेश्वर, मेरा घर से जस्ट 6 to 8 आवर डिस्टेंस में है. सो इट्स वेरी इजी टू गो होम फॉर 1 or 2 day एंड वैकेशन. सो एंड तुम्हें एम्स में इतना ही छुट्टी मिलता है, लाइक 1-2 दिन की छुट्टी मिलता है. तो तुम अगर 1-2 दिन की छुट्टी मतलब मिल जाए तुम्हें कॉलेज में, तो तुम घर जा सकते हो आराम से. तो ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है, तो ये भी कंसिडर करना पड़ेगा तुम्हें. नाउ टॉक अबाउट द रैंकिंग. सो दिस एम्स भुवनेश्वर इज अ 15th rank in the NRF ranking is 15, so that is also important one. And the important one is the academics. So you have to study here for 5.5 years. So I came to know about this AIMS Bhubaneswar ki this AIMS Bhubaneswar students are means they have performed very well in NEET, PG and INSET, and so now I'm very clear about the academics here, because they are very strict about academics and they're very good at academics actually. The teachers, the faculties are very good. So these are the main reasons why I chose the AIMS, like AIMS Bhubaneswar over other AIMS and over other Delhi colleges. दिल्ली कॉलेज चूज़ नहीं करने का सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि मेरा डिस्टेंस बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा था, उसमें मतलब जाने आने में टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा लग रहा था, एंड उसके जो खर्चा होता वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा लग रहा था, तो वो चूज़ नहीं किया. एंड CMC BHO वही सेम है. BHO में थोड़ा रैगिंग कल्चर थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, इसलिए मैंने किया. यहाँ पर रैगिंग कल्चर बहुत कम है, बहुत लाइक 1% or 0%. So it's one of the most important factor actually. बट जो भी हो ये सारा चीज़ तुम अपना कंसिडर करो। मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि एम्स भुवनेश्वर लेना है, बट अकॉर्डिंगली तुम्हारे अकॉर्डिंग जो अच्छा लगे वो चूज़ करो, बट कंसिडर करो ये पॉइंट्स। एंड अगर देखो कौन सा कॉलेज अच्छा हो रहा है इस पॉइंट से, एंड देन यू कैन चूज द प्रेफरेंस लीस्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू इट। बट लास्ट में यही बोलना चाहूँगा, कॉलेज जो भी चूज़ करो पढ़ना तुम्हें ही होगा। तो इट डज नॉट मैटर कि तुम कौन सा कॉलेज चूज कर रहे हो, एम्स चूज कर रहे हो या फिर स्टेट कॉलेजेस, पढ़ना तुम्हें होगा। बट द थिंग इज यू हैव टू स्टे देयर फॉर 5.5 years, so the environment should be good, and your quality of life should be good because you have to stay there, you have to study there. So consider these things and choose wisely. And congratulations again, best wishes for the new journey. Thank you for everything. Bless you all. Bye.